I'm Noreen Geronimo, General Manager of KPP Powers Commodities, Inc. Well, greatest joy is of course seeing my kid. Yan, hindi pa ako nagsastart, naiiyak na ako. And of course, especially the first time I was able to give birth, being able to hold your child, I think that's one of the precious moment that I will have for the rest of my life. Yung first, you're very anxious, you want to keep everything okay for your baby, ganyan. Syempre gusto mo kompleto siya when they go out in this world, di ba? Going through that, hindi ko iniisip talaga ano yung mararamdaman ko. Basta okay si baby, ganon. And syempre pag nakita na yun, maganda, okay, healthy, walang problem. Syempre, tungtawa ako kahit masakit siya, whatsoever. And I thank God na very natural naman lahat. I mean, I didn't go any cesarean section. Everything is easy for me. And yun, seeing them na walang problem. Laging fear kasi yun ng any mom na baka kulang, baka ganito. So, pag nakita mo na kompleto sila, maganda, they're beautiful, I'm very proud na kahit anong pain, ayun, makikita mo, mahawakan mo yung baby. Healthy sila. Ganun. Well, one of the sacrifices is, of course, kahit sabihin natin you're very tired, your day ends in the office, pero it won't stop, no, pagdating sa bahay, because kahit you're a working mom, you have to make sure na you're there for your kids, you're there with happy times, lalo na pag bad times, dapat nandun ka. Especially also pag alam mong kailangan ka nila, may sakit sila, ganyan. Kahit anong sama man yung pakiramdam mo, you have a tough day in the office, still you have to be there for your kids. Making sure okay sila from the time they wake up, from the time na pupasok sila sa school, dapat kompleto yung food nila, ganyan. Yun yung hurdle as a working mom, pero kakayanin because of the kids. Hindi ako makapagsalita. The time na need ako ng family ko, I mean, my sisters, my parents, yan. You would always want to be there for your family kasi important din naman sila sa'yo. But, even though na challenging yung situation that you need to be there for your parents, at the same time showing support to your sisters, you also have to make sure that your kids are taken care of. Kasi baka sabihin din ng husband mo na napapabayaan mo sila. Of course, there are instances in your life na your parents and your sisters would still need you. Especially panganay ako. So, nasanay ako na lagi ako nandyan for them. But, of course, you always have to be strong and you always have to show your kids that you can do it. Yun yung kailangan. You have to do it. You have to let them see that you're an example of being a strong woman, able to find solution at any given time, at any given day, kahit pagod ka, hindi mo paparamdam. To my kids, Gabby, Miguel, and Daniel, Mommy can be tough at times. Kasi gusto ko yung role is mapalaki sila ng maayos, they are able to grow up good kids. Of course, nandun na rin yung faith kay God. So, I would always tell them, this is how things should be done, ganyan. Oh, you can always do it. But I always make it a point na nako-compliment ko din sila. No, but I want them to have the values and the ability to be independent, to believe in themselves, ganyan, and to do things correctly. Kaya, I would always teach them as much as I can. Although minsan nag-aaway, hindi maiwasan. Nevertheless, my love for them won't change. It will continue to grow. And Mommy will always be here for you, no matter what.